Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Austin here from Sneaker Styles, and in this week's video, we've got something a little bit different than usual. But before today's video gets started, I just would like to quickly thank you guys for helping us reach 5,000 total subscribers, and on top of that, we've also reached almost 900,000 video views. To be completely honest, I never thought I'd get to this point. I started out front of my house in a lawn chair. Now we've got a full studio with studio lighting. I've got all my sneakers behind me, and you guys tune in every single week to see what I'm doing, and I honestly couldn't be more thankful for each and every one of you guys, and I hope we can continue to grow this hobby that I have into something bigger and better than I ever thought possible. And to sort of celebrate 5,000 subscribers, I thought it'd be cool if I did some sort of Q&A video. If that's something you guys would want to see on the channel maybe next week or the week after that, leave a comment down below here on the video, or go add me on Snapchat at Sneaker Hotline. Give me your best, most interesting questions. It can be about newest sneaker releases, it can be about my life personally, hobbies outside of YouTube, anything you have for me. Leave a question down below or on my Snapchat, and if I get enough interesting questions, it'll become a video. So as I'm sure you guys are aware, my channel has never really been based around hype-related items. I don't show you guys Supreme, I don't show you guys Bape, Yeezy, Fear of God, Gucci. I don't show you guys any of that. I really try to show you guys how to ball on a budget, because I know at the end of the day, that's what's realistic. We're not gonna all be able to go out like Blake Linder and afford every single Supreme piece, even though I wish I could. And I'm not bashing on people such as Blake Linder or Blazendary Kicks. If I had the opportunity to fill this thing up with Bape, Supreme, Yeezy, you know I would, but I want to keep it realistic with you guys. I want to keep it 100, and I want to show you guys ways that we can ball on a budget, and today's no different. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pick up your own pair of budget Balenciagas. So for those of you guys who may not know, Balenciaga is a Spanish luxury brand for both men and women. Within the same tier as Gucci and Louis V, Balenciaga focuses on things such as handbags and shoes. And while all of these brands are very popular, they're also very expensive. And if you know me and my channel, we're gonna find a way to look just as good for way less than half the price. Today's pickup is actually considered a sneaker boot because obviously it has elements of both a sneaker and a boot. This product retails for just a little bit over $160 on Urban Outfitters, and while this may seem very expensive for some of the sneakers I review on my channel, considering the prices of real Balenciagas, which go from anywhere to $500 to $700, $160 for a pretty close replica, I think is a steal. The brand CU4TRO is today's brand, and it may be new to a lot of you guys because it was new to me until my girlfriend picked these up for me for Christmas. The brand's goal is to provide comfort and style above no other, and I think they've done a pretty good job so far. Starting with the box itself, it is even made of a high quality itself. But the coolest part is when you take out each of these boots, they each come with their own individual dust bag. When I originally opened this box, I was quite surprised because usually this much attention to detail requires them robbing you on the price point, but at the end of the day, I think $160 is very fair for what you get. When you take each boot out of the dust bag, you'll notice that they're both pretty lightweight, which was something that I was definitely worried about. The all suede upper looks very tough and aggressive, but if you're getting any colorway other than the all black, I definitely recommend keeping some crepe or Jason Mark handy just in case. The ankle collar of each sneaker boot is padded with a pull tab at the top. If you haven't noticed yet, the overall theme of this sneaker is very military inspired, and both of these pull tabs near the heel area really give it that military look, which I think at the end of the day would look great, especially with a pair of black jeans. Although the ankle areas of both boots are padded, the tongue is not, even though it is lined in a really nice quality leather. Because the tongue is not padded, it allows you to unlace the top half of this boot and really bring it down for a completely different look, which I'll put on screen right now. This personally is the look that I will be rocking these with most often, but at the end of the day, it is all personal preference, and this boot works with almost any different style you throw at it. And lastly, for this sneaker boot, it features a lugged all rubber outer sole, which is where this and the Balenciaga Speed Trainer share most resemblance. The day I got these boots, I quickly posted them on Snapchat to get your guys' opinions on them and just get some overall feedback. And almost every reply from you guys was asking me which model Balenciagas these were, which definitely helped inspire today's video. CU4TRO calls their special rubber compound the formula, and at the end of the day, it is supposedly supposed to help against abrasion, scuffs, overall weather, wear and tear, and things like that. And one thing that I thought was really funny was that if you guys watched last week's video and I was talking about the EVA midsole on the Adidas EQTs. Now what I think was really funny is that if you guys were here last week, you might have remembered on the Adidas EQT, I talked about the EVA midsole and how it may break down over time. What I think is pretty cool is the CU4TRO brand themselves, actually on their own website, call out that old EVA technology and claim to be superior, which if that's true, this is definitely going to be one of my favorite in rotation. All in all, I'm definitely very excited to finally start wearing these out because I was saving them for a video. And because of all of the advantages I described in today's video, I definitely think you guys should look into getting a pair for yourselves. If you guys could also go down below and leave a quick like rating, that is always appreciated and helps me grow just a little bit quicker. And again, hope you guys enjoyed today's overview and review of the CU4TRO sneaker boot, and hopefully you guys can pick up your own pair here soon.